At Emerson, our industry-leading quality standards extend beyond engineering, manufacturing, and distribution. They span the entire product lifecycle, from the very first customer interaction to the end of the product's life. That's why our flame and gas detection products, manufactured entirely at Emerson's Rosemount facilities, extend our reputation for customer care and responsiveness. Our team of highly skilled customer care professionals are provided continuous training and development to ensure the highest quality standards for you. In fact, every employee is quality trained and owns our commitment to quality. It starts with an automated order promising system, which allows our service representatives to determine accurate and reliable delivery dates when an order is placed, and ends with a final out-of-box, or OBQ, quality check performed on every instrument by an experienced instrument builder who's trained and certified on all aspects of the production process. This total quality experience is how we exceed our customers' expectations. Emerson's complete line of flame and gas detectors offers superior quality you can rely on to give your personnel and operation the confidence and protection they need.